The 19-1 is all about holding space, and it's this beautiful unity and stability frequency. It's very powerful. And when you have this frequency in the soul destiny aspect of your soul contract chart, this shows up as you on a soul level. You just have this push and this desire to create this energetic vessel where you're disseminating knowledge into the world. So, for example, for some of you, that may be an actual physical center, a yoga center, a retreat, somewhere like a physical space, brick and mortar, physical space where you are able to offer healing to others, where you're able to share like ground spiritual energies and offer services that help people heal and grow. And they come to you for that support. You're really good at holding space for others. Now, for others of you, that may just be like an energetic space or energetic center. Maybe it's a website where you offer services. And sometimes, now in today's time, like we don't have to have a brick and mortar or anything. There's a lot of things that we can do online, just like this, where you're connecting with people. But you're really here to help share your spiritual energies, share that healing, help people heal, that kind of energy. You're so good at holding space. And so your soul destiny, your purpose is to actually do that for other people in a grander scale. Be sure to check out this frequency video in karma, talent, and goal aspects so you get a full understanding of what this frequency means and how it shows up, because your soul destiny originally starts off as a third karmic placement in your soul contract, right? So it's something you have to break through to get to the positive aspects of it, to the rewarding stuff. And so at first it's a little bit challenging, and there may be areas within this frequency that you feel stuck in still, okay, that you're still in a challenge karmic aspect. So be sure to look at those videos so you can really get a full understanding and figure out how to work past it. Also, thank you so much for liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting on my videos. It is the best way to support this channel, and I appreciate it so much. Have a beautiful, blessed day.